Dharavi, Asia's largest slum cluster with a population density of nearly 3 lakh persons per square kilometre. The chawls here are a potential sitting duck for the coronavirus. But Dharavi seems to have contained the virus once again. On Monday, the area reported only 2 new infections, the lowest since February the 11th. If the first wave took Dharavi by surprise, this time it looked better prepared, and the confidence is evident on the ground. Last year in May, Dharavi had 3 isolation centres for high-risk contacts and suspected cases. In 2021, all 3 isolation centres are closed. This year, Dharavi reported 3,011 cases and 42,000 contacts were traced. It had around 1,000 active cases on the 1st of May. Daily cases have dropped to single digits by the end of May.
The BMC had set up primary health posts inside Dharavi to keep a check on the spread of COVID-19 during the first wave. The health posts are still operational, but now they are being used to treat the kids, the young people who have been suffering from diseases due to monsoon.
The mood in Dharavi is of hope. Shops are open. Slum clusters that saw an exodus of migrant workers in the first wave now see them working in local industries.
नहीं अभी एक टाइम तो मैं नहीं गया था, यहीं पे हूँ जी, पहली बार गया था मैं जी। वो जो शेयरिंग में जो ट्रेन गई थी ना गवर्नमेंट की तरफ, उसमें गया था।
There are concerns though. The vaccination rate, for instance, is very slow. Dharavi has 3 vaccination centres, but out of the population of 8 lakh, in the last 2 months, only 19,638 people took the jabs till the 31st of May.
The response in slum areas, especially Dharavi, has been not that impressive, because initially when we start vaccination in March 22nd in Dharavi, we were quite confident that there should be a vaccination center in Dharavi, because most of the health workers as well as frontline workers were from Dharavi.
Vaccine hesitancy is a key factor here.
कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा है, आदमी और उसमें उल्टा मर रहा है, मर ही रहा है, कोई कुछ फायदा नहीं हो रहा है उसमें। आप नहीं लगाओगे? नहीं लगाएंगे हम तो।
जो वैक्सीनेशन है बहुत बड़ा चैलेंजिंग बात है। धारावी में लोगों को इतना अवेयरनेस नहीं है, तो हम शुरुआत में जब भी वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर चालू हुआ था, लोग इतना अवेयरनेस नहीं थे कि वैक्सीन लेना है, उनको कुछ पता नहीं था।
With the second wave subsiding, the focus in Dharavi is now on improving vaccination to avoid another spike. With Sahil Joshi and Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, Bureau Report.